All right, I'm here with Dan. Met Dan at the Villages last week. He saw my rack and decided he wanted to give me a call. We did some texting and some video exchange or some photo exchange, and now I'm here and just wanted to ask Dan what he thought.
So far, so good. I'm really happy with the product. It's very unique to this area, very necessary with the lack of storage down here in Florida. I came down here from Connecticut, from the north, where we all had big garages and basements. Well, Florida's not that place.
I notice you've got bins above your garage door as well.
Yes, I do. Well, guess what? They're all going to be going on the ARackAbove, and I can't wait to transfer all those things onto this well-built, well-constructed, unique shelving unit.
Did you hang on it yet, Dan?
I have not.
Why don't you hang on it? Show people how strong it is. There you go.
Well, now I can do pull-ups too.
You can do pull-ups as well.
It doubles as a pull-up
Yep,
machine.
there you go, folks. ATV, cars, everything. People always cry about the center pole. We checked it out, not a problem. We'll shoot you a picture of the cars in here in just a second.